Hi, I am Rajneesh Kumar, and in this video I will walk you through my submission for the internship screening task. I built a complete marketing website for Ethics Metal Forming Machinery, a company that manufactures industrial equipment such as hydraulic busbar, processing machines, clenching machines, section bending machine, and plate rolling machine. In this walkthrough, I will cover the AI tool I used, how I approached the project, and the final website, some challenges I faced, and the key lesson I learned throughout the process. The AI tool I used was Cloud by Anthropic through Cloud AI. I want to clarify the website itself was built by me using React and Tailwind CSS. Cloud wasn't used to generate the entire project. Instead, I used it a design partner once the core functionality was already complete. Initially, the website looked functional but fairly generic. It had the typical blue and white corporate style that could fit almost any businesses. At the stage, I wanted a visual identifier that felt specific to a heavy engineering and industrial machinery company. I chose Cloudy because it doesn't just suggest color or layout, it explains the reason behind its recommendation. That helped me make informed design decision rather than simply copying suggestions. First, I built the entire website structure and functionality. This includes hero section, about section, feature section, product catalog, product detail page, contact page, responsive navigation, footer, routing and page navigation, GSAP animation, product data architectures. Once everything was working properly, I moved on the design phase. Although the website worked well visually, it still felt like a standard template. To improve that, I described to Cloud. The This is industrial machinery manufacture dealing with hydraulic system, steel fabrication, bushworks and heavy engineering. Instead of asking generic improvements, I asked what design language would feel authentic to that industry. Cloud suggests several ideas, dark steel inspired backgrounds, hydraulic orange accent instead of corporate blue, a stronger contrast and industrial styling, etc. From there, I refined each section. I shared components individually, reviewed suggestions, tested them in the actual UI, and only implement the changes that genuinely improved the experience. Let me show you the final website. This is my website. Here I build a nav bar where we nav links navigate the different pages, product page, about page, feature page, and contact us page. Also, we add a logo and get quit button where we need any machinery installation we contact them. Now we move on hero page. The home page opens with a full screen machine carousel featuring 6 different products. One of the biggest design improvement I was shifting a bright corporate look, a darker industrial aesthetic with orange highlight. Also, we add some animation to render a hero page and add a scanning effect. Now we move on about section. The the section intention About session describe about the company. Also we add carousel image and company experience, total machine installed. I also used visual hierarchy through typography and spacing so visitor can quick and scan important information. Also we highlight machine installed, year of experience, industrial clients and technical. So now moves on product section. The product section adds a preview of the company machinery portfolio. Visitor can immediately browse featured machine without needing to navigate another page. Each product cards include product image, product name, product description. Also one product so in like a featured product and detailed. The card are designed with a clean layout that protects the machinery itself. Since the products are company's strongest selling point, I wanted to visual the dominant rather than a extension. Also, if we make a product page where show all products, and also add product detail page where show product detail page like features, what feature of the product, a specific what machine a specification. If customer had any required for installation machine, then request a quote, call on this number. Now move on feature section. Why choose us? The feature section focus on the key strength of the company machinery service. Instead of displaying static feature cards, I implement an interactive layout. As users hover on a product, the accompanying machine image change dynamically. Some highlights capability include precision engineering, high production, advanced hydraulic system, safety focused design. The section helps to communicate why customers should choose the company machine over company. Now move on contact us per in this area about company, some description and map, company map. Also we make a footer page and eh, also we make a contact us page. Here we add company email address, phone number, office verification. Also add contact us banner to look more interactive. Here is get a quote form. We enter details and upload file and submit it. And also have a map footers. This is all about my project.